Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can exactly get a 220-day free trial on Shopify in 2025. If you're looking for the best extended Shopify trial, you are in the right place. So let me explain what happened to the old offer. You might remember me the 1 million black business promotion which offered 120 days of free access to Shopify. That deal is no longer available in 2025, but don't worry, there's still a working method to get the same 120-day trial. Let me show you how. So first of all, you have to click the special link in the comment section or bio. Use the link in the video description. The links take you to the Shopify's current extended trial page. Without this link, you will only get a standard 3 days or 3-month trial. Then use a fresh email address that has never been used here. So set a strong password and click create Shopify account. Online is so when prompted, choose like answer Shopify setup questions like this. Here you can see if prompted, then choose a plan. You have to add what would you like to sell or best describe you. After entering all the information, you have to choose a plan. This step is critical. You must choose a plan to activate your store and qualify for the trial extension. Then select the basic Shopify plan best for beginners. Enter your billing information from here. Then Shopify would not charge you until your extended trial ends. Okay. Then once your account is activated with a 90-day trial, you have to go to the Shopify Help Center. Use the link in the description to access Shopify store. Log in with your newly created Shopify account and then contact support. Use the message template provided in the description. Exactly copy and paste the message template to the Shopify contact support. And there you go. Your 120 days free trial is now activated. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.